If you want a richer, darker brown, instead of reaching for black or just a dark brown or just pressing harder, you may want to consider using violet or a cool dark blue violet or even a navy blue. This helps to create a little bit more contrast, and using an opposite color, which is a little bit cooler, will actually make it appear a little bit blacker, but also give a richness to the brown. It gives a more velvety, realistic value and hue that is more natural and more like the colors you would find in nature. It also lends a little bit more of a dynamic range and overall creates an illusion of iridescence and luminosity. This is page 8 of my brand new coloring book, The Tea Time Tales, which is available online to order worldwide. Check out the details below in the description box under this video.